Again, a very good morning, all of you. We will start our class with a good thought. And the thought is we should start our day with smile and we should have positive thoughts. Means whenever we get up in the morning, we should have a smile on our face and always we should think positive. Everything will be good. Today we will start our chapter number 6 from our literature book also, that is My Neighborhood. Just look at the pictures and tick the activities that you usually see in a park. First and second picture, they are doing exercise that you can see in the park, but in the third picture, mother is cooking. You cannot say this. Fourth, fifth and sixth picture you can also see in the park. Seventh, eighth also, but ninth picture, a man, he is driving the car. You cannot see, and nobody can drive a car in the park. So you have to take the activities that you usually see in a park. So this story that we are going to start, Neighborhood, that is about a boy, and the name of the boy is Rahul. So let's start the story. Rahul, he visits to a city, and he came to the city from his village because he wants to live with his uncle, aunt and even their son, and the name of their son was Nitin, and he was very happy. Who was happy? Rahul. He was very happy to be with Nitin. And Nitin then took his hand and he smiled and said to Rahul, Rahul, come with me. I will show you around. And he is talking about the around. And he said, I live in this small colony of 200 houses. Who is talking this? Rahul's cousin Nitin. And he said, we have 3 parks. And the shape of the one park is triangle, and the other park that has swings, but that is not a triangular park. Triangular means we have done in our maths na, a shape that has 3 corners. So the one park was triangular in shape, and it is a square park. Which park is square? The park which has swings. And the third park, that is very big. But in the third park there are not swings. There are only trees and benches. And they attract one and all. Children, men and women of all age group like to come here every day. Children and youngsters, they play cricket, they play football and any other game they want to play, they can play there. And the old people, they mostly come for a walk and they sit on the benches and talk to each other. And he was saying, even I also go there with my friends, and we go there, we sit and we talk there. We enjoy running around and playing cricket because the park that was very big. How many parks were there? There were 3 parks. The one park that was triangular in shape, and the other park, second one, that is square in shape but that has swings, and the third park that is very big in size, and there are only swings and there are only benches. Sorry, swings were not there, there were only trees and there were only benches. Then Rahul nodded and said that I also like to play cricket with my friends. Nitin, then he said, all the uncles and aunts are very kind. Now you tell me, uncles and aunts, what are these? Yes, you all are right. These are genders. What are these? These are genders. Uncles, that is masculine gender, and aunts, this is feminine gender. So Nitin was saying that they all are very kind, and some of them they give us sweets and even toffees also. They like us and we too like them. When he was telling about the parks, then he said, our colony is very clean because there are many dustbins and all the people they do not throw litter here and there. If they found anything on the road, they put them in the dustbin. And even most of the people they are having car in their neighborhood, but they always park their cars in the parking space only. Then Nitin, he talked about Independence Day. He said we celebrate Independence Day, and on this day the flag is hoisted, and even we take part in a small function in our community center, and the community center that has a big hall. But Rahul, he wanted to know more. Then he asked Nitin, what are the festivals that you celebrate here? Then Nitin said, we celebrate Christmas, Eid, Holi and Diwali in the triangular park, but we never burst crackers because many people do not like the noise. Then Rahul said, yes, we also celebrate all the festivals with great joy. Then he requested, why don't you come and stay with us? But Nitin spoke very cheerfully. He said, dear Rahul, definitely I will visit to your village in the holidays. But here I have my parents, my school, and even my friends also. I would miss them. Then Rahul smiled and said, I will wait for you in the holidays. So, dear students, it was your chapter, My Neighborhood. You have to read this chapter and then you have to try to find out the back exercise of the same chapter on your own. And in the next class, I will send answer key, question answers and back exercise. Okay? Good. Bye bye and God bless you.